Hello, I'm Penny Megginson, and welcome to the Megginson Method Healthy Eating Program. Today we're going to go over quick hacks for making eating healthy effortless and easy so it becomes part of your lifestyle. So the first thing is making smoothies in the morning. So a green smoothie to get your spirulina in, or beetroot juice, carrot juice, ways of getting all of your vegetables in one go, so that you can also throw in your superfoods or maca or any other ingredients that you want to get into your diet. It's just an easy way, especially when you're busy, to get everything into one quick smoothie that you have every morning, and then you don't have to worry about it the rest of the day. Now, the next thing is, if you're trying to avoid gluten or dairy, is to have these substances already in your kitchen. So you fully stock your kitchen for a full month full of things like almond or coconut milk, or a substitute for gluten like an almond flour or a quinoa flour or coconut flour. And that way you just substitute those for the regular flour or regular dairy in any recipe. And it makes everything effortless. And it's important to make sure that you're fully stocked, because it's that time where you run out of your dairy substitute that you just decide to cheat, and then you go backwards. And so making sure that your kitchen's fully stocked, full of all of your healthy items, and always full of fresh fruits and vegetables, you'll never have any struggle with sticking to this diet program. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please share this video with your friends, hit that like button, and don't forget to comment below. I love hearing about your results. To receive more strategies on better balance of mind, health, and fitness, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.